Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy Nasdaq on Webull. So, the first thing that you will have to do is make sure that you've already opened your Webull account and you've already logged in. And once you're here, you will just go ahead and go to markets or trading and investing and go ahead and look for ETFs and click it and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will just have to click start investing in ETFs. And again, you have to make sure that you've already logged into your to your account. And after that, you will just have to basically tap trade. You will see the option here if you've already logged in. And then again, you will just have to search for the Nasdaq ETFs like QQQ, and then again tap trade and then buy, and then you will enter the number of shares or dollar amount, and then you will just have to confirm your purchase and click submit. And that's basically just it, and you now own your Nasdaq ETFs on Webull. And please make sure to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. Thank you and have an awesome day.